This is what makes time travel possible.
The Speedybee Adapter.
So I've been using Adapter 3 as my daily driver, not just for flashing firmware, not just for setting on beta light, not just for changing pairs, but actually as a lipo checker, but even better, as a power bank, because it has a 30-watt fast USB charger and it has all the protection you need. It's compatible with Quick Charge 3.0, it's compatible with Apple 2.4 amp, and of course it's much better than the generic USB to lipo adapter that I've been using. So this has been what I've been using all this while, but now my daily driver for charging my phone is actually my Adapter 3, so let's put it to the test. So through careful testing on my Huawei P30 Pro, I've actually found that Adapter 3 wins by a big margin because it's able to charge 50% after 34 minutes compared to 36% with my generic charger even after 80 minutes. So get the Adapter 3.